Okay, so if you think project cars won't bite you in the ass continually, where's that pile? Where's it at?
Look at that little drip right there.
God, we just moved the car. You see it dripping? Boys, here we go. Here we go. I know. You're like, I want to hear the Super Snake. Dude, they want to hear the Super Snake. Everybody's dying to hear the Super Snake.
Are you ready?
We're ready. We are ready. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, no more quarantine. We're back. Fire right up. Man, smooth, quiet. All the exhaust is done. Check out the gauges. Yeah. Radio is on. Oh, that looks freaking great. See, tacks work. Bolts are good. Oil pressure is good. Probably need some gas in it, but boys, I'm telling you, this thing sounds great. Pulling good. Let's see. Clutch is all bled, boys. You know, we got the Silver Sport hydraulic kit in it. Yeah, buddy. I guess the N-gauge isn't hooked up. The radio down. Oil pressure working. Hear the blower really good. Alright, we probably ought to shut it up. You want to let it run a minute, or is it you bleeding out the coolant?
No, I'm done all that.
It's good. Okay. Yeah, we got the door shut. So if nobody sees this video, it's probably, you know. Yeah. And it's raining, guys, so yeah, but she's alive. And if you're wondering, guys, the whole front end, the bumper cover, the hood, the fenders, those are back at the people that painted the car, so we're not going to put all that on there, but we will see the car completely finished and we will drive. But yeah, that's where the rest of the front end is. That's why it's not all there. All right, guys, so real quick, the plan is we're going to pull the 6R80 out of Lee's car and gonna put the converter and a new trans in it, see what happens. Woo. She's fired up, yeah. See if that fixes it. It's a little bit loud. That is the plan.
Smell that corn.
I love. Cold start. Yeah, but you can tell the difference. These are MagnaFlows and those are Flowmasters. But this car is so much louder. And they're both full 3-inch X-pipe. They both have Cook's headers.
They got the same tailpipe.
Yeah, same tailpipe. The only difference is the mufflers, basically. But so that's the plan. We're just gonna eliminate the transmission. I'll put another 6R80 in it and see what it does and go from there. But Lee has actually been messaging me. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's see. Lee has been sending me pictures of Gen 3 Coyotes and 10R80s, so who knows? We're gonna try this other 6R80, see what it does, and go from. If that other 6R80 fixes that car, we'll actually be able to get it out and see what she does, because we hadn't really been able to see what it does. Yeah, guys, if you're wondering how come we're not out driving the Viper Blue car, yeah.
Tennessee weather for you.
And it's freaking cold out here too. It doesn't look cold, but
Yeah, it's cold.
and it's raining. Never fails. Okay, guys, we actually got to get Jennings' car off the lift, so this will be the official first drive, even though it's only going from like there to there. Hey, it counts. It doesn't matter. It counts.
Do it 60 foot.
Exactly. It is still the first drive. Get some of this stuff out of the way. All right. This car's never moved under its own power.
There she blows.
Dang! It's moving! First drive, first drive. Look, oh man, I'm telling you, look at this thing. Look at this freaking car, my God. Woo. Reverse lights are working.
I need to move some stuff. You trying to go for more?
No, we need to. We can push it up or whatever.
That was the first drive though.
Yeah. Felt good.
Oh, it looks good. It's amazing to see this thing rolling.
Stick on it. I've never noticed how the sticker seals on it.
Yeah, this thing's gonna sit.
Of course, it's, he may have to adjust it when we get the fenders and everything on.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna be okay.
it's gonna sit right. And like you look back here, I mean it's.
That sits perfect.
Woo, yeah, those BBSs though.
They sit perfect.
Guys, if you've been eyeing what we got over here in the corner, yes, Raymond's engine has arrived. And this is for the Reef Blue car, guy. I know it's been sitting here untouched for quite a while. He's been getting some stuff together, but ordered the power by the hour crate motor, which is just a standard 2017 Mustang engine. But that is good to go. He's got his control pack. I don't know, it's probably in the car.
That's up there on the shelf.
Oh, okay, yeah. Control pack is right there. So, got a good start. Possibly gonna be ordering up the new TKX from Silver Sport.
What I recommend.
Yeah, definitely. That's the that we're not sure yet. He kind of was leaning. He's either gonna do a T56 Magnum or the new TKX from Silver Sport. So that will be coming very soon. But yeah, guys, we got another brand new Gen 2 Coyote ready to drop in. Okay, so if you think project cars won't bite you in the ass continually, where's that pile? Where's it at?
Look at that little drip right there.
God, we just moved the car. You see it dripping? And what is it though?
It's the heater core.
It's coming right. The first freaking time this car's moved under its own power, and
Ain't even built much pressure yet.
he's got all the interior. Everything is back together, done, wired, put together. As you can see, the freaking heater core. So
Fox body light.
yeah, exactly.
Fox body nightmare.
Look, and you remember when we started this build, how this build started. The freaking engine, which now I think we finally scrapped it. The engine, the original engine for this car was seized up when we got it. And it's just kind of been all downhill from there, boys. But yeah, you think after all the time and money you put in it, guess what? Your heater core is screwed.
Like you said, yeah, we're done. And then the car says, nah, hold up.
He's like, I'm not going this easy.
Ain't know what you just did, Jeremy. You're not putting me out.
He's like, no, I'm running this show whether you like it or not. All right, guys, last and final update. We got charge pipe action. just about there. Little coupler here, and
That cold side will be done.
yeah, all cold sides done. What?
Hot side.
Yeah.
Got to make a mount for the turbo to hold it in position.
But yeah, this thing's.
Most of the wirings run for the engine.
Of course, we got fuel system, full 4 fuel system. Got to come in. And other than that,
Yeah, that'll be started next. She's got these super duper injectors there.
oh, he got more parts.
You got lots more parts.
Look, if your injectors come in a
Yeah.
sealed
Yeah,
box.
check this out.
What? Hold on, let's see these things. Did they pull out? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
My God.
Can you see straight through it?
Look at the opening. That's what I was about to say. Look at that.
Jiminy Christmas. Are those 1050s?
I think they're 1650s.
Oh my God. Yeah, if your injectors come in a nice sealed, blow bolted injection,
Yeah, like-
whatever.
Put your rings and stuff
Yeah.
in when you get done.
But hey, put your Rolex and everything. So yeah, then we got that, and then he got a rear like a drag race wing.
Wing,
Some other
control arm set up,
control.
shocks,
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
cooler.
Yeah, that's more suspension, strange.
Of course, he ain't got his hatch here yet. He's getting the carbon fiber hatch.
Carbon fiber hatch incoming. Sheesh.
We got the rear end getting it done.
Yeah. And Steve started on the.
Started.
Yeah. Steve's getting the
got
rear
new
end.
torque box reinforcements. And,
Getting there though.
yeah.
There's the other door panel there. So yeah, guys, updates everywhere, and man, we got a lot going on out here. But guys, that is what is it. That is what is going on. And of course, this is the week of Christmas when this is being filmed. So hope everybody has a safe and Merry Christmas. Travel safe, be safe, enjoy it. Make sure you watch the videos though. Nah. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We'll be in here doing work for you on Christmas Day. You'll have a video too. Enjoy it. Later.